Hi guys, in last video we talked about get one property names and how we can list our the property fields which we talked about. So in this video we'll see more methods. We are going to talk about hasOwn and is. Okay. So what is hasOwn? So hasOwn is nothing but it compares. It not compares, but it checks the property field exists on on an object or not. So let's say we our object was obj and we had name field there if you remember. So it is showing me true. Let's say if I use name one or something like that, which is incorrect, which does not exist on object field. Okay, this property is not there, so in that case it will show false. Okay, so what was the object? Let me show you again if you have not followed the existing last video. Then you can see that we have name and country here. So if you type country, so it will show you true. So in some scenario where you need to check about the has zone, like if these two things exist, this field exists in this object, then you can do this. The next method is so likes. For example, this compares two objects. So let's say if you write two object fields, it will be false. The reason behind this is JavaScript creates a memory location for this before test before using this method. It will create two different memory location for two objects. So it's right now false, even though may think like these two are same, but actually it is not same since the JavaScript has created different memory location. So the first object we had was this. I also created one more object, which is actually this one. So I've directly assigned the object to object one. So while assigning an object to different object, it does not create a variable. It simply copies the memory location. It is a reference to this object. So its memory location would be reference to the memory location of this object. And if I create another one, I've just created another object which is altogether separate. So its memory location will be different. So in short, again, like let me explain you again. So this object has a memory location. Since we are assigning it here again, so its memory location will be same, but it will just refer it to this memory location only. And since we created this with a separate value, so it will have different memory location. Now if we check object dot is obj and obj1, this will be true. Okay, since both memory locations are same. If we use 2 here, this will be false. Okay, you can try it out more things here, and we'll talk more about the memory locations as well in future videos. But right now understand, like uh, it's not always necessary that both same looking objects has same memory location, since that depends on like how we are creating the variables there. We'll talk more methods in later videos. In next video we see more methods. Thank you for watching.